How to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Facebook featured photos is not appearing or is not shown. Now, make sure that your app is updated to the latest version of the app. To check it, head over to your Play Store and search for Facebook. Here, if your app is not updated, then you'll find a little update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Now once you update it, open the app, and here if you head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see on the top left of your screen, then if you scroll down below you can see your edit featured photos right here. Now you can always add a new one from here and choose the pictures to add and then click on next, and here you'll be able to name the collection if you want it, and then just click on save. You can see it's saving my featured collection. Sometimes what happens is even if you add it to your featured collection, you will not be able to see it or it won't show up here. So what you can do is click on here and click on the three dots that you can see on the screen and edit your featured collection. Now untap it, or you can delete it and then add up again. So you can just tap on the three dot and delete it and then add again. It might show up and it might fix your issue. If it doesn't, just head over to your phone settings and here go to apps, and once on apps search for Facebook, and here go to storage and clear your data and clear your cache. Hope you like this. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.